Hi everybody, this is part 2. I've got my way into one of the antique shops at my post office and I took some pictures. Look at these salt and pepper shakers, left, right and center, and I'm allowed to pick and choose. So if you see anything you like, I can get them. Aren't these great? Oh, look at that clock. The sun in the back is taken away from it. Yeah, a little bright there. Look at what she has. I love this store. I haven't been in looking around at all. That cabinet is just something else. I'm just gonna pop open a door. Let's peek. Oh, more salt and pepper shakers. How great. Oh, there's clients at the front desk and I'm wearing my mask. I should speak a little louder. And look at the salt and pepper shakers. Same chalkware set as I have, but in a different color. It's getting dark in this corner. Billiard balls. Oh, I'll be interested in some of those dogs. Look at the elephant. Oh, Pluto. That's great. Look at the cabinet she has. Very nice. And then I'm going to peek in this cabinet and see what's going on. Oh, there's some fish and a bear in the honey pot. Look at these hat vases. Wow, they're big. Like, there's the size of my hand. They must be 6-7 inches. Wow. Oh, I'd love a cabinet like that. Okay, so I'm new at walking around, but I did buy a stabilizer today so that my camera might not shake as much. And I'm just winging it, like I seem to be doing. She's really good, this lady at the post office here. If you see something you like, I can email her and I can send it out to you. I'm sure she won't mind. Here I am just assuming. Yeah, okay. Look at this cake plate. It's not a cake because it's only, I'm not sure what they would call that. I'd have to ask her. Oh, the wooden spools for sewing. God. Another great cabinet. I'm trying to figure out which way would be best to show that. Thanks for your patience, you guys, and me learning all of this. This is a clock, this carriage with the horses. She's got different signs here. Metal ones. Budweiser. Built by Lionel. Oh, that's a cool one because it's embossed, raised. It's not just a flat picture. Those are great. That looks like the area that I live in. I like these enamel tins. Like the blue one here, all the rust. That's right up my alley. Hi. These are baked. No, maybe they are Bakelite. Not quite sure. Look at these bottle caps. That's a nice clock. That's a lamp too, that wagon. Look at these, the artwork in those little gloves. Look at those. Oh, love it. Bed warmer right here. I'll slow down a little bit. Mork and Mindy. That's quite an age there, just in and of itself. Just watching where I'm walking because I don't know if there's stairs or different levels. I love it that I get permission to snoop. Capodimonte. Hard to find that aren't broken. Wow, rare colors in those lanterns. I haven't seen this color before, nor that blue one. See, told you I have the best post office. Matchbooks. Oh, I have that vase right there. It's up on my Etsy shop, I think. However, I don't have the lid. Look at that. Cast iron. Oops, sorry about that. And then she's got a collection of chalkware here. I just mailed this one out this morning to Australia. And she's got more salt and peppers there. Those bottom ones look like Occupy Japan. I'm in the way of the light, so here we go. Okay, you guys, I can come back anytime when they're open, not a problem. Just wanted to show off where my post office is. Have a good one. Bye-bye.